This is retina, histology of retina. See, in the first outer layer is the pigment cell layer, it's a cuboidal cells. You can see here, and here we have some microvilli here. So this one single layer of cuboidal cells, and they are the pigment cell layer, first layer, and single layer. Second layer, it is layers of rods and cones. So there are rods and cones. So you can make it see, two rod and one cone layer. So this way you can make it. So there is a rod and a cone. This kind of cells are there, and this way. So cones and rods we can see clearly in this. This layer is the second layer. Now here also one cone. Now here comes one external limiting membrane. So till that is coming one layer. Next you can make the nucleus here, and it has some granules inside. The cells have granules inside. Pigment cell layer, pigments they are there, and this part here we will get it some layer, outer nuclear layer. Outer nuclear layer, the nucleus is bigger, so you can see the arrangement here. This is the outer nuclear layer. So this is the outer layer. So then next to that you will get it one plexiform layer is there. So there is three nucleus you can make each in this, like that the arrangement you can make it. So this is one layer. So till here is you can make it outer nuclear layer. So surrounding that cell membrane is there, but the nucleus is very prominent. So this surrounding that nucleus, there is a membrane of the cell membrane, the nuclear cell membrane is there, no, that is a eosin stain, but the nucleus is bigger, so you can clearly see that. And next layer is the outer plexiform cell layer. So there are so many plexus of nerve fibers we are seeing here. So this is the layer, outer layer. Then again next comes the nuclear layer. That's the inner nuclear layer. Then here comes the inner plexiform layer. So the inner nuclear layer is little more bigger. So this way you can start inner nuclear layer. These all regions you have to make it something like this way. The nucleus size is bigger, so remember and make it. And there is not much space in between. So completely you have to fill it with this nucleus. And again one more plexiform layer comes. So that's coming here. This is next plexiform cell layer. There is not much space between these two. So plexiform layer you can make it more fibers. Then now comes that ganglionic. Next will come the ganglionic cell layer, the 8th layer. Here the nucleus is bigger and that little oval in shape. So the arrangement, not number is less, but they arranging in a different pattern. So some are up, some upper, like it nearly 2 layer like arrangement is there. You can see that, and from that this fiber arising from this, that together forms the nerve fiber. So all the nerve fiber is arising from this and going to one side like this way. Together forms the nerve fiber. The nucleus is bigger, so you can make it the bigger nucleus here. Arrangement like this way, and the layer wise you have to label now. So the first layer, this is the one, that's the pigment cell layer. Pigment cell layer. Second layer, that is the layer of rods and cones. Layer of rods and cones, and there is one outer limiting membrane is there, so that is the third layer. This is the external limiting membrane, otherwise known as outer limiting membrane. Then the fourth layer is outer nuclear layer. Then fifth layer is outer plexiform layer. Then sixth layer is inner nuclear layer. Seventh layer is inner plexiform layer. And eighth layer is ganglionic cell layer. And ninth layer is here, that is the nerve fiber layer. The last layer is the 10th layer. The 10th layer is the internal limiting membrane. Here we mentioned external limiting membrane. Here will be internal limiting membrane. These are the 10 layers of retina. Thank you.